Okay, Sally, you know.
Rice and pork. We have rice and curry. It's a.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Good morning. What is girls' now, guys? They wake up and go to church even on Saturdays. Happy Saturday! Church just came out now, guys. We are so exhausted, like 6 hours.
6 hours.
It speaks to the power of what happens when we take what we've been carrying to the Lord in prayer. When I take it to the Lord in prayer, I pour my heart out. Sometimes you need to see it from the platform so you can do it with your platform. It ain't always gonna be cute. It ain't always gonna be pretty. But one thing's for sure, it's gonna always be God. And I don't care what they say about me. I care that He gets the glory when it's all said and done.
We are so time to move to velo qualengae. O velo boni straight, o velo bonum shato, gichu mawengane. Impilo yako yongi pelele, wenu muna ye.
feel like my clothing or the way that I dress will be a bit more modest than what I'm used to, than what I used to wear. Only because now that I'm growing up, I understand why you know.
Just make sure that you tell everyone that you love. That you will love them. No matter how ugly their truth is. You'll still love them. If you can promise.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah, found. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide.
I'm missing home now.
There's something for me.
But I can't find one new one to feel alive outside. I can find my fear.
Guys, my friend accompanied me to get my eyebrows tweezed and my eyelashes done. How sweet.
At a very low price.
Så tanto muito velho qualengae. O velho boniste.
Ice cream.
Relationship to be different. I'm scared. You know, when I imagine the guy that I was supposed to be with, you don't match that vision. No, I mean, you far exceed that vision. I've never been with somebody who matched my hustle, who gets it, who really gets it, and doesn't pay child support. You're a freaking
It's giving flowers. It's giving a pretty lady deserves flowers all the time. If you love me, buy me flowers.
Of course not.